how to add the product card. To add the product card to an existing destination page, go to the right on the feature bar, go to Pages, and click on the destination page. Go to the left on the Elements bar, click on Ecommerce, and then click on Product Card. To customize the product card, click on the component with the left mouse button. Click on Edit and go to the star icon to change the style of the product card among the 4 available styles. Click on the text icon to edit. 1. The font size and color of the titles. 2. The formatting options for the text. The font, size, and color of descriptions and labels. 3. The font, size, and color of prices. To modify the background color, click on the Colors icon. To change the text color, background, or hover background of the button, click on the button icon. Proceed to the Cart button in order to show the Open Cart button and personalize its text color, background, and button background when the mouse hovers over it. To view products without any filters or by entering the product code, click on Advanced Settings in the menu. Go to Settings to deactivate the purchase and make only reservations possible. To hide prices from the public, enable Zoom or display prices with VAT. Proceed to Related Products section in order to showcase associated products and configure their display settings. Go to Social Icons to add the social media platforms where you can share your product and to choose the style of the social bar.